Hello YouTube, I'm DANDI. My channel name is DANDI WANGELA. DANDI WANGELA is a Fannoo or Oromo language words. In English, it means the way of the Bible. The way of the Bible. I joined YouTube channel in March 2015. I uploaded my first video is gospel song. There is many struggles when I joined YouTube. Some of them are, the first one is getting internet access is very difficult because sometimes government is broke internet. The second one is when I get internet to upload my videos, the connection is too slow to upload on YouTube. The third one is lack of production material to making videos. Thanks to God, by overcoming of this now, I make one video per week. My YouTube channel have different content. Some of these are, the first one is interview with evangelists to get some experience from evangelists is my first main point. The second one is filming and recording worship videos in different churches. Another one is the third one is filming and recording preaching of the word of God. The fourth one is debating on many ideas based on the Bible verses with my friends. The fifth one is making a review or reaction on the pastor, prophets, apostles and bishop, what they are preaching in the church, what they are doing in the church based on the Bible verses only. When I do all of my video contents, I use green screens many times. I use lights, camera, and sometimes when I don't rent the camera, I do only by audio. For editing time, I use Wondershare from video editing. I believe one day my YouTube channel is become influencer and touches my viewers. Thank you for asking about my YouTube channel. God bless you, you and your company. I'm happy to use and of a part of YouTube community. It is give chance to express my feeling and catching with others. My respect for you. Bye bye. DANDI WANGELA.